What's up guys, Clay with EKNIVES.com. We just got in these tool kits from Heretic Knives. It's got the driver, hollow handle, so you can put a few of the bits down in there. These are Torx bits, and they fit. It comes with a card that shows all the knives that these fit. The Hydra, the Wraith, the Medusa, Manticores, the Colossus, which is actually a new model of Heretics coming out very soon. I'm actually going to do a video on that here in the next few days. And then just all the different Torx bits, they go right in the end of this driver. Very similar to the Microtech toolkit if you've seen it. So this is the Heretic, and it's green, which is super cool, with a bronze end cap. It's got the Heretic logo. So we've got some of these in stock now, guys. EKNIVES.com. If you have any questions, call or text us as always, 423-525-9477.